Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to download Microsoft Office for your iPhone. So what you're seeing here is my iPhone streamed to my TV. So now I'm going to go into the App Store, and it's already came up because I looked at it. So here's what you can download. Let's start at the top. Yes, you can download Microsoft Edge. You could actually download Microsoft OneDrive. You could download Continue to PC. What this does is this will link your iPhone to your PC, even though there's a Windows way to do that as well. You have Microsoft Outlook, and then you have Microsoft Office. So we are going to download Microsoft Office, and we're going to see how this works. It should work just like every other Office, but this is a mobile platform, so there are going to be some differences from the PC version. So I am going to click Get. Excuse me a second, I gotta do a facial recognition. It doesn't recognize my face. I'm going to put the microphone down for a second. There we go. So now it recognizes my face, and now it's going to download. There we go. My phone went to sleep. Alright, so now what we do is we open it. As you can see, we are opening it. I don't have an account set up, so I'm going to push Not Now. And this is the security agreement you need to abide by. I'm going to do Decline. And the reason I did all that is this is just a basic how-to of how to use it. So we're going to do View. So what we can do, you have to sign in, and I don't have the account, but you could do, let's see, you could sign in. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. You could scan to a PDF, which means I could take this, the back of my phone here, and I could scan to a PDF, picture to PDF, document to PDF, PDF to Word, which means I could translate it back to a Word document. So let's do click PDF to Word. You have to sign in. Fortunately, I do not have an account, so we're just gonna go back in and we are going to download Microsoft Word. Alright, so yes, Microsoft Office does come with Microsoft Word, but I do not have the account to log in, so for purposes I am going to just get Word. I gotta lower my mic again. Alright, I recognize it, so now I can put the mic back up. we are almost done here. Alright, so we are done, so I'm going to open it. Not now. Decline. Okay. Not now. So this is just like regular Office. You have your blank document, you have your take notes, make a list, write a journal, create an outline newsletter, brochure, flyer, modern paper trip journal catalog, basic resume. If you happen to be on the fly and you need to make a resume, you can do that. Bold cover letter, business letter, recipe, menu, family update, stuff like that. So, and down at the bottom here, there is a folder icon. So if you click that, that is the files on your phone. We'll do home. You sign in to look at stuff. Okay. Now, what else can you download? You can download Excel. Most people use Excel, so I'm going to download that. I gotta turn my microphone down again. Alright. So that is downloading. The two things you're going to use in an office are Word and Excel. So, say for some reason you forget to do something, you can put your documents on your phone and you could do it that way as well. There we go. Open it again. Same thing again. Next, we're going to decline again. Okay. Now this is a basic video, so we're going to view. So here's what you can do. Just like in regular Microsoft Excel, blank workbook, make a list, total list, track my tasks, manage my money. Yes, you can make a sheet to manage your money in Excel. Personal budget, family budget, credit card payoff calculator, mortgage loan calculator, college course manager, and so on. Hit the folder again. These are the stuff that you can put on your phone and you'll be okay. So, and you have OneNote, which I never used. I know people use it in offices for memos and stuff like that. So I'll do a download of that. Excuse me once again. Now, I have never personally used OneNote, but I know in offices that they do. And my phone went to sleep again. Alright, open. Alright, I do not have an account for that, so that will not be working. Here's an interesting one. PDF scan, and then you have Mass Solver. Now, in regular Microsoft Office, or at least the one that I have, you do not get this. Microsoft Teams, which is something different. PowerPoint. Let's download PowerPoint. We'll see how that works. Excuse me once again. Okay. So we are now downloading this. And we'll see. And there is Microsoft Office 365, but that's for another video. Here's what you get. You get the mobile apps, all this. You get admin, then there's the admin tools. So I could be an admin connected to the network, and what I could do is control all the stuff that I need to control. Alright, there we go. So it is downloaded. We're going to open it up. Same thing. So this is what you can do. I'll go through all the stuff you can do. So alright, so this is a blank presentation. I click blank presentation, and keyboard should come up. But that's how it works in a nutshell. So I am going to go back to Word, go to Home. There we go. So if I click blank document, I am going, opens up a blank document. You have your Word stuff down here. I'm not sure if you can see it. Tap. I could copy stuff. So now the problem is the reason it's not letting me do a whole lot is I'm not signed in. So, but I can do that. There we go. There we go. So you could do your resume on the fly. We'll go back to Excel. There you go. Alright. So that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.